Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show how to simplify this math olympiad problem where calculator not allowed. 13 to the power 5 plus 13 to the power 4 plus 13 to the power 3 plus 13 square plus 13 to the power 1 plus 13 to the power 0 is equal to what? Is equal to 13 to the power, this 5 can be written as 4 plus 1 plus 13 to the power 4 plus 13 to the power, this 3 can be written as 2 plus 1 plus 13 square plus 13 to the power 1 plus, we know that a to the power 0 is equal to 1, that means 13 to the power 0 is equal to 1 is equal to, here we can use a algebraic formula, a to the power m plus n is equal to a to the power m times a to the power n. Now apply this formula. Here we can write 13 to the power 4 times 13 to the power 1, that means 13, plus 13 to the power 4 plus, similarly here we can write 13 square times 13 plus 13 square plus 13 to the power 1, that means 13 plus 1 is equal to, now taking common 13 to the power 4 to first two term, we will get 13 plus 1, and taking common 13 square this two term, we will get 13 plus 1 plus 13 plus 1 is 14 is equal to 13 to the power 4 times 13 plus 1 is 14 plus 13 square times, similarly here we will get 14 plus this 14 is equal to, now taking common 14, we will get 13 to the power 4 plus 13 square plus 1 is equal to 14 times 13 to the power 4 can be written as 2 plus 2 plus 13 square plus 1 is equal to 14. Now we can write here 13 square times 13 square plus 13 square plus 1 is equal to 14. Now taking common 13 square, here we will get 13 square plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 14 times 13 square, that means 169 times, here we will get 169 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 14. Now 169 can be written as 100 plus 60 plus 9 times 169 plus 1 is 170 plus 1 is equal to 14 times, now 1 times 17 is 17 with 1 2 3 zeros, plus 6 times 17 is 102 with 1 2 zeros, plus 9 times 17 is 153 with 1 0 plus this 1 is equal to 14 times, now add these four numbers, we will get 28731 is equal to, now this 14 can be written as 10 plus 4 times 28731 is equal to 1 times this is 28731 with 1 0 plus, now 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 3 is 12, here we will write 2, 1 is go, 4 times 7 is 28 plus 1 is 29, 2 is go, now 4 times 8 is 32 plus 2 is 34, 3 is go, now 4 times 2 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11. Okay, now add this two number, we can write 4 3 2 2 0 4, and it is our final answer. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.